Hey, do you want to learn how to turn on or off the dark mode in Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. To turn off or on the dark mode in Notion Mail, we're going to first go with Notion Mail. And on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Settings. Inside the account settings, in Inbox, on the right-hand side, you're going to find Theme Mode. This is what we are changing. It's currently set to System. So it's detecting that currently I'm using dark mode on my system. So that's why the Notion Mail is set to dark mode. But in your case, it could be that it's in light mode and you want to change it to dark mode. So you just need to go over here and set it to dark. Also, you could go for light mode if you like that better. And that's it. That's how to change the theme mode or turn on or off the dark mode in Notion Mail. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Notion Mail tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.